హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, నేను మా ఫిజిక్స్ ఫరూక్ న్యూ టాపిక్తో మీ ముందుకు వస్తున్నాము. ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్గా రావాలంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ వి నో అబౌట్ వాట్ ఈస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ వి నో అబౌట్ వాట్ ఈస్ వర్క్. What is meant by work is said to be done. Work is said to be done when force displaces a body. For example, if we consider a box, when we apply force on it, so body displaces certain distance. The displacement is considering as s. The displacement is considering as s. The work done can be written as work done W is equal to force into displacement. Here, if a body, for example, if we consider a lawn roller, if a force is applied with some angle theta, that is pulling force is applied on it with some angle theta, the displacement is in this direction. The angle between force and displacement is theta. Then work done can be written as Fs cos theta. So here Fs cos theta. So this can be resolved into according to resolution of vectors. According to resolution of vectors, a vector can be resolved into two components. Here force is a vector. The applied force is pulling force here. The angle of force is theta. Displacement is s. Then work done can be written as W is equal to Fs cos theta. Work done is equal to force into displacement. W is equal to Fs cos theta. Here work is, we have three types of works. First one, positive work. What is meant by positive work? Means work is said to be positive if force and displacement are in same direction. Then the angle between force and displacement theta equal to 0. Then work done W is equal to Fs cos 0 degrees. So then W is equal to Fs into cos 0 1. Then W is equal to Fs. We get positive work. So example for positive work is if a force is applied on a body, if a box is dragged with a force in a direction of displacement, if force and displacement are in same direction, then the work is said to be positive work. Next one, second one, negative work. What is meant by negative work is if force and displacement are in opposite direction. Force is one direction, displacement in opposite direction. Force and displacement are in opposite direction, then theta is equal to 180 degrees. Here then work done W is equal to Fs cos 180 degrees. So here cos 180 degrees Fs minus 1. The value of cos 180 degrees cos 180 degrees minus 1. Here W is equal to minus Fs. So this work is said to be negative work. Next, third one, zero work. What is zero work is if force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Force and displacement are perpendicular, then theta equal to 90 degrees. if force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, then theta equal to 90 degrees. The work done Fs cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 that cos 90 degrees. Then W is equal to, we get cos 90 0, cos 90 0, cos 90 value 0. Then Fs is work done is said to be 0. Work done is said to be 0. This is called zero work. This is called a zero work. So here, what is if force and displacement are in same direction? Example, a box is dragging on road, and force and displacement are in same direction. Example for positive work. Force and displacement are in same direction, then angle between force and displacement are theta equal to 0 degrees. Then work is said to be positive. Next, negative work means force and displacement are in opposite direction. Opposite direction means the frictional force, work done by the frictional force is negative. So that is negative work. Next, zero work means when displacement is zero, there is no displacement. For example, when force is applied on concrete wall, there is no displacement. That work is known as zero work. So these are about types of works. అండ్ ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ మీ ముందుకు రావాలంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్.